Today we're working on station 4. Let's see, there's station 4. I'm gonna Clecoed everything together, which I've just done. We need to transfer drill these holes on this doublers. There's holes there. We'll pull it apart, deburr, put it back together, and then Clecoed. Go ahead and get that done. All right, I got the doubler plates transfer drilled, deburred, feeling real smooth. We're gonna take the AAQP rivets. We'll rivet it going down this way, as well as going down through this way. We'll go ahead and get on that.